Blessings, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Today's Garifuna word of the day is raga. Raga. And it stands for story. The sound you hear in the background is that of none other than Miss Paula Castillo. Today, I wanted to share not only the difficulty involved in reading Garifuna, it would also give me a chance to document my journey to Garifuna fluency. So kick back, stay tuned, and let me know what you think in the comments. The story that I'm going to share is called Mesule Magwalibe, which stands for lazy cat. And it is taken from the Walagate book. I will also be sharing my interpretation.
Mesule Magwalibe. Luago aba weyu. Nyinye aba meso magualiti. Ani maliruti. Garadu. Suwadan luchugula ichiga legi. Luaguti aba weyu. Aba tasandiri luguchu. Aba la duredun mesun le sarago lugudon. Megiti buga buidu. Alugati yebe la dariron garadu nun legi. Gama lumon madariti nugundu ibedieti nun ida lubala la darunia. Ani ibidieti bugan lun kabala lega. Abati la saminaro luguchi musu la fure deron. Aba lichigun uguchili le aba garadu to adibiri luago aba gurudu. Leti lueri lilama aba laguchini garadu la sungurudu. Aba lubeti luon. Aba lubeti lonwe luma la magwaligo. End of the story.
Thank you once again for tuning in. Sareme, ayo.